Hi everyone, in this video I will share how to take screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A15. Okay, in this video I will share 3 methods to take a screenshot. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Method 1. Take a screenshot with assistant menu. First, you open settings menu. Okay, next you open. Okay, next you scroll. You open accessibility. Okay guys, next you open interaction and dexterity. Okay guys, next in assistant menu, show a menu of easy to reach button that let you replace hotkeys, gesture, and other common interactions. Okay, next you tap enable, tap allow. Yep, successfully guys. This is assistant menu. Okay, to take screenshot with assistant menu, you tap on assistant menu. Okay, next you search screenshot icon. Yep, this is okay. Next you tap. Yep, successfully guys. Again, I will test screenshot in Google app. Yep, tap and success. Okay guys, next method 2. Take a screenshot using key combination. Okay, press and release the volume down button and the side key power at the same time, like this. Yep, successfully guys. Again. Yep, successfully. Method 3. Take a long screenshot. Long screenshot can only be on the page, can be scrolled up and down, like on this Google page. Okay, first you take a normal screenshot. Okay, next you tap this. Okay, tap again. Okay, you can do it as long as the page allows. Yep, successfully guys, take a long screenshot. Okay guys, you can see your screenshot in my files. Okay, next you open image, and yaps, this is your screenshot. Yaps, this is my long screenshot, and this is my normal screenshot. Okay guys, the tutorial has been finished. I hope this tutorial can be useful for all. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.